What's your favorite fashion trend right now?
Wala talaga akong fashion trend. It's just my style.
You don't go with the flow.
No.
Naka-bet ko ngayon is yung siguro yung mga street style.
Baggy pants kasi parang ang pangit na tignan kapag yung mga skinny.
Hey guys, we out here, BGC, High Street, and we're gonna be asking people, what are you wearing today? What's your name and what do you do for a living?
My name is Josh. I'm currently a student.
Anong celebrity yung pinapollow mo na arte? Style?
Currently, I'm following the K-pop trend kasi yun yung mga uso nowadays, yung mga baggy pants, then yung mga gantong jacket.
Can you like name one celebrity? K-pop celebrity?
Yes, I currently following Jungkook.
Oh, Jungkook.
Yeah.
Alright, that's nice.
He's like my idol in style.
Your idol.
Yeah.
Anong favorite fashion trend mo right now? Is it yung baggy pants, yung skinny pants? What?
Yung baggy pants kasi parang ang pangit na tignan kapag yung mga skinny, parang old-fashioned na siya.
Anong pinaka-expensive na piece mo ngayon na suot? Is it yung earrings mo, yung jacket? Ano?
Yung siguro yung shoes, parang Jordan.
How much is it?
Parang siguro binili ni Papa to parang mga 9, 8, 10K parang,
10K.
if I remember.
What's your name and what do you do for a living?
I'm Catherine. I'm a part of wardrobe.
Okay.
Yeah, and as also a designer too.
Oh, it's a designer.
I design my shoes too.
Oh, you design your
Yes.
shoes too. I really love it. Huh?
Thank you.
It's very pretty. Okay, first question is,
Yes.
sino ang celebrity artist na pinapollow mo style ngayon?
Most Heart Evangelista. She's a fashion icon.
Oh,
Yes.
she's a fashion
Yeah,
icon.
like, proudly Pinoy.
What's your favorite fashion trend right now?
Wala talaga akong fashion trend. It's just my style.
Oh, you
Yeah.
don't go with the flow.
No, I don't. I don't do the hypes.
Yup.
Like, it's on my own. Kapag gusto ko yung style, hindi ako nag-ano.
It's based on your
Yeah.
what you like.
Yes, exactly. I have my own aesthetic.
Yep.
Yeah. So I don't do trends.
You don't do
Yeah,
trends.
and I hype
Is there any least fashionable trend that you don't like?
Crocs.
Crocs? You don't like Crocs?
I don't like
The
Crocs.
sleepers?
Yes, sleepers. No, sorry.
What's your name, bro?
Kobe.
Kobe.
Yeah.
Who is a celebrity artist na pinapollow mo ngayon for style?
To be honest, for now, I'm following, if you know Tito Mikey.
Oh, Tito Mikey.
Yeah.
Yung basketball player.
Yeah. He's so inspirational when it comes to clothing,
Okay.
It's simplistic. It's very aesthetic when you come to see Tito Mikey. It's very simple, but it's
Very simple lang sa kanya.
yeah.
Anong pinaka-expensive piece mo ngayon?
Right now.
Yep.
To be honest, I'm not into expensive, clothing. I am just, binabagayin ko lang yung style ko when it comes to kung saan ako comfortable. And syempre sa weather natin dito sa
Yes,
Philippines, very, mainit. Yes. So, ang feeling ko, ang pinaka-expensive ko lang is when it comes to shoes siguro. I have Jordan Pandas.
Jordan Panda.
Yes, and yung suot ko ngayon.
What about yung suit mo ngayon?
Ito kasi to be honest, galing lang to is bigay lang sa akin to. So I'm not sure kung anong usual price pero ang tatak nito is J Enomoto.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much do you think it costs?
I can say yung
Can say.
yeah.
Alright, confidential.
Yeah,
Alright.
confidential.
Favorite fashion trend mo right now?
I very kasi ang daming styles ngayon na mga fashion.
Yeah.
So pero ang pinaka bet ko ngayon is yung siguro yung mga street style na
Street style?
Yeah,
Street styles,
Yeah.
number one.
number one.
What's your name again, bro?
Kobe.
Thank you so much.